Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to create the cinematic sound backlight effect, a trending AI photo style that looks straight out a movie scene. And yes, we will make it using Google Gemini Nano Banana. And it's completely free and yeah, it's so instant. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this, and then log in using your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on create image, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images. This is just same way to activate the Nano Banana, the new feature that lets you transform your photo instantly using just a prompt. Next, just upload your photo. You can pick one with a clear face and maybe natural lightings. This is will be best for your cinematic portrait. And to upload your photo, just tap on plus button and then gallery, and then just choose your photo like this. And then now for the most important part, let's type a prompt. But before, I have already prepared a prompt like this. Like this. You can just copy this prompt exactly, like just screenshot it first and then using Google Lens, just copy the text prompt and paste it to your prompt box. Like this, but feel free if you want to customize it to match your styles or to match the details that you like maybe change the color tone, the lighting, or maybe a background mood, just feel free to tweak it. Okay, next I will just copy my prompt like this and then I will go back to my Gemini, paste the prompt and then generate. Okay, like this, in just a few moments your photo will turn into a stunning cinematic sound backlight portrait with movie style lighting like this. Just look at this, that glow is insane. The sunlight flare looks completely real, like a pro studio shot. That's the cinematic sound backlight effect. It's easy, free, and trending right now. Okay, if you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.